Dortmund is a city in western Germany, and is the 8th largest city in Germany. Dortmund has a rich history dating back to the 9th century. It was originally a small village located on the banks of the river Ruhr, but over time it grew into a major industrial and cultural center. During the Middle Ages, Dortmund was an important center for trade and commerce, and it was also a major center of the textile industry. In the 19th century, the city experienced rapid industrialization and population growth, and it became one of the most important industrial cities in Germany. During World War II, Dortmund was heavily bombed, and much of the city was destroyed. However, it was rebuilt after the war and has since become a major center for technology and innovation. Today, Dortmund is a major cultural and economic center in the region. A region known for its diverse culture, beautiful architecture, and vibrant arts and music scene. The city is also home to several museums and theaters. Dortmund has a large university and is a major center for research and technology. If you like this video, follow me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.